Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic cascading style sheets. So let's get started. In CSS Flexbox, what is the primary difference between flex basis and width? The correct answer is option A. Flex basis defines the initial size of an item before free space is distributed, while width is a rigid constraint. Which of the following grid properties is used to name grid areas so they can be referenced by the grid area property? The correct answer is option B, grid template areas. How does the specificity of the where pseudoclass differ from the is pseudoclass? The correct answer is option B. The is selector takes the specificity of its most specific argument, whereas where always has zero specificity. Which CSS function allows you to set a value that fluctuates between a minimum and maximum range based on a preferred value? The correct answer is option D, clamp. What is the effect of setting box sizing, border box, on an element? The correct answer is option A. The width and height include the content, padding, and border. Which animation fill mode value ensures that the element retains the computed values set by the last keyframe encountered during execution? The correct answer is option B, forwards. In the context of CSS logical properties, which property is the logical equivalent of margin left for a left to right LTR writing mode? The correct answer is option C, margin inline start. The CH unit in CSS is based on the width of which character in the element's font? The correct answer is option C, the character 00. What does display contents do to an element? The correct answer is option D. It makes the element's container disappear, making its children direct children of the next level up in the DOM for layout purposes. Which property is used to control the stacking order of elements that have the same z-index value? The correct answer is option A, the order of elements in the HTML source code. Which pseudoclass matches an element if it is the only child of its parent? The correct answer is option A, only child. What is the purpose of the backdrop filter property? The correct answer is option A. It applies graphical effects to the area behind an element. Which value of object fit scales the image to maintain its aspect ratio while filling the entire element's content box, potentially clipping the image? The correct answer is option B, cover. In a CSS grid, what does the 1FR unit represent? The correct answer is option C, 1 fraction of the available free space in the grid container. Which media feature is used to detect if a user has requested the system to minimize the amount of non-essential motion? The correct answer is option D, prefers reduced motion. What is the result of opacity, 0, compared to visibility, hidden? The correct answer is option C, opacity. 0 allows the element to remain interactive, receives clicks, while visibility, hidden, does not. Which CSS property allows you to specify the distance between the lines of text? The correct answer is option A, line height. Which pseudo-element is used to style the marker box of a list item, the bullet or number? The correct answer is option B, marker. When using CSS variables, what is the correct syntax to provide a fallback value of blue if main VG is not defined? The correct answer is option A, background color, var, main VG blue. Which property is used to align flex items along the cross-axis when there is extra space in the container? The correct answer is option C, align items. Which CSS property is used to prevent an element from being the target of mouse events? The correct answer is option B, pointer events, none. What is the specificity value of a single ID selector? The correct answer is option C, 1, 0, 0. The aspect ratio property allows you to set a preferred ratio for an element. What is the correct syntax for a 16:9 ratio? The correct answer is option D, aspect ratio, 16/9. Which value of position keeps an element in the document flow but allows it to be offset relative to its original position? The correct answer is option A, relative. Which CSS property is used to create a multi-column text layout? The correct answer is option A, column count. What does the has pseudoclass, the relational pseudoclass, primarily allow developers to do? The correct answer is option B, style an element based on its children or following siblings. Which of these is not a valid value for the font style property? The correct answer is option D, small caps. Which property defines how an abbreviated text should be handled when it overflows its containing element? The correct answer is option A, text overflow. What is the purpose of the @keyframes rule in CSS? The correct answer is option C, to define the stages and styles of a CSS animation. Which keyword is used to reset a property to its inherited value if it inherits, or to its initial value if it does not? The correct answer is option D, unset. Thank you for watching.